Hi, my name is Anthony Nash. I'm a self-advocate in the state of Washington for People First of Washington and many other groups. And I have actually started a Facebook group called Self-Advocates Speaking Freely. It's a group on Facebook that self-advocates, people with IDD can join and speak to more people, make friends, anything. And we do daily Zoom calls. The first thing I want to do is teach you the 2 steps of how to get connected. First step is Facebook. You need to make a Facebook account and then join, and then go up in the search bar and have it where it says, and then type in self-advocates speaking freely. Then you just request to be a member. Then one of the many people helping out with the group will accept you. You just answer a few questions, and then after that, you will see links on there for Zoom, and you click on the Zoom link. If you're on a mobile device, go onto your marketplace for apps and look up Zoom. It will have a little video camera icon, and you can just hit download. And the same thing will happen on desktop. It will take you right to the website so that it will help you so you can set up an account. On the invite, there'll be a long scrolled document. On the top, near the very top, it'll say sign in or join Zoom meeting, and there'll be like a little link right there, and you could tap on that. Or there's even phone numbers that if you do not have access to a mobile device for getting on the internet, you can join by phone if you don't have a web camera at all. And you can still have fun talking to other self-advocates and still be connected around the world.